Hi, financial team. You are guide emotions recognition can help detect human feelings from face the market for technology is growing rapidly. Despair connection questions for insect about whether it works. So please answer seriously all answers of anonymous and identifying information is not called to understand more about Google service. Please use the link below. So this is so blank in moral criteria. So financial, we are going home and uh, more articles. First of all, so this is more criteria of financial. So we are for most of the past year students true. For girls knows Hong Kong has been a classic from home but unique. Most children around the world for in the during in pandemic the student had true light are being watched. They sit at their desk. It founder of former teachers Vicky Lim says is rate children failing correctly about 85% of the time. The popularity of the software has exploded during the pandemic with the number of schools using for little 3 is Hong Kong growing from 34 to 83 over the past year according to Lim. For little 3 use one of the family of new algorithms that it created claim can recognize the human emotions and state mind such tiredness, uh, stress and anxiety through the analytics to face expressions, micro guest eye tracking and voice tone. Hundred of hundred of firms around the world are working on emotion technology in effort to American tech giants including Amazon.